Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to do something a little different. Instead of showing you guys 5 hairstyles, I'm going to show you 5 lazy bun techniques. And if you're new, I am Tina, so let's get started. So for hairstyle number 1, I'm going to show you how to do the popular banana bun with the pencil. So pull your hair to your right side as if you're making a middle side ponytail. Next, place your pencil on top and wrap your ends around it, making sure you're leaving out your ends, I would say about 4 inches. Then you're going to straighten out the pen and wrap it and stick it inside the ponytail. This is just so hard to explain, but I'm sure you guys see what I'm doing here. Now you're going to pull the ends of the hair to the left side, but just make sure when you start the wrapping process that you're not wrapping it too closely. Otherwise, when you start twisting the pencil at the end, it's going to feel too tight and even painful. So make sure you do this loosely, okay? And tug on the roots to make this look softer and messy. And when you get the proper shape, you can start pinning everything down with a few bobby pins. And lastly, you're gonna pull out the pencil and you're done.
Hey baby, when you move it so close, I don't wanna let go tonight. Be a lady, what it's gonna take till you be mine.
Divide your hair in half and make a normal braid with the left section. And after tying the ends of your braid, you're going to roll the braid tightly into a ball before securing it into a bun shape. By the way, make sure your bun is very tight for this style. Now take the right side and spread the hair across the crown and around the bun to form a sleek bun look before pinning this. For this style, you have to exaggerate that sweeping motion I just did here. Otherwise, it's going to look really clumped up, and that's not what we want. We want the hair to look really smooth and sleek, okay? Like pretend you're Donald Trump and you're doing his bangs. Exactly that. And that's it.
Kiss me.
Now, style number 3 is a messy bun style using the looping method. So put your crown into a high ponytail, but on the last twist, make this loop. And then take the ends, pull it through the hair elastic a few more times to create more loops. This really depends on how long your hair is, but for me, I made 3 loops with my crown section. Next, we're going to do the same with the back. By the way, guys, this is just so hard to talk with this retainer in my mouth. Oh my God. I already had a list because English is my second language, but this is just next level difficult. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're going to make more bubbles with the back. And this depends again on how big you want the bun to look and also how long your hair is. Lastly, you're going to use a few bobby pins to hold the 2 ponytails together. Otherwise, it's going to separate and it's not going to look like a messy bun. And we're done.
The bass and the tweeters make the speakers go to war. The mighty trumpet brings the freaks out to the floor. The bass and the tweeters make the speakers.
You're going to pin up your crown and divide your hair in half to form 2 low ponytails. Then undo the crown and make a French braid. But if you can't do a French braid, a normal braid would work just as well. And after tying the ends of the braid, incorporate it to the left ponytail before making a rope braid with it. To rope braid, simply twist the front piece toward the face and wrap it going away from the face. And when you get to the bottom, scrunch up the rope braid before wrapping it around itself to form a bun. Now we're going to do the same for this side, but before we scrunch up, we're going to loosen up the braid to make this section thicker since this side has less hair. And style number 5 is a faux curly updo hack. So we're gonna grab a 3-inch section on each side and twist it away from the face before tying it right in front, right below the nose. Then grab another 3-inch section to make another twisted ponytail. For this hack, you have to make sure you're tying this right below the nose, otherwise it's just not gonna look right. You guys can do whatever bun you like, but I do what I usually do, which is just twisting it lightly and scrunching it upwards to create a plumped up ponytail before wrapping it around itself to form a bun before pinning in place. Okay, now we're going to start flipping these back. So take the bottommost ponytail and flip it back. It's going to feel really loose and weird. That's totally normal because now you're going to twist it slightly and wrap it around the bun to pin it in place. Then take the loose side. So we're going to start with the right side and pin it next to the bun to make it look like a curl. And repeat on the other side. Next, flip the other ponytail back, but for this one, it's gonna feel really tight. So take a moment to tug on the crown. And then with the back, pull the twisted looking side section to the center and pin it in place, making sure you're not killing the volume, because if you flatten everything down, it's not gonna look like curls at the end. It's just gonna look like a mess. So make sure when you're doing this that you're not making it too tight. And with the ends, what I did was I wrapped it around 2 fingers to form a pin curl before securing everything in place. Now lastly, all you need to do is look in the mirror and pin anything down that looks weird or out of shape. And that's gonna be different for everyone. So what I did was I pulled out the crown to make my crown look fuller. I pinned up the bottommost bun. I then tug on the twist to make it look more elegant and bridal looking by gathering it more towards the center of my head and pinning that in place. By the way, I didn't wear my hair extensions today. Did you guys notice? I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys again next Saturday. I love you guys. Have a beautiful weekend, everyone. Bye.